Safe. In this video, I will show you why you should use Shopify for your drop shipping. But first of all, if you want to get an access with Shopify's 30 days free trial, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. As you can see now, guys, I am inside the members area of Shopify. I will show you how to use Shopify the right way, and also show you how to add your own products here on Shopify. So Shopify is a legit website that you can use to create a website here or your Shopify stores. Now let me show you how to add your own store here on Shopify. All you have to do, go there to products, and the products you can able to add your own product here. It is so simple. You can do this. Let me show you how to add your own product right now. If I go here to this plus button, add a product, it's gonna take me to this page. This is whereby that Shopify is gonna help you to add your own product here. And the title, you have to write the title of the product that you want to sell here. Just write the title. Then you're gonna go to paragraph, and the paragraph you have to write the description of the product that you'll be selling here. But I use this AI tool from Shopify. I have to put some keywords here up that is related for the product that I want to sell. For the tone of voice, I'm gonna use an expert. Then I'm gonna click here to generate. So now this AI tool is gonna write for me product description for me automatically. As you can see, in just a few seconds it is done. I'm gonna keep it. Then that's it, guys. That's so easy. Then now we're gonna go to media. And the media on Shopify, it allows me to upload an image. You can also upload videos in a Shopify store. Then you can go to category, and the category you can choose the category that is related to your product. You can choose any category that is related to your product there. And then after that, you're gonna go to pricing. You have to put the price that you'll be selling your product on Shopify. Just put the price here. Then for the cost per item, you have to put like how much it is costing you to purchase this product in your supplier. You know, if you don't know that, you can leave it like default. There's no problem with that. Then you're gonna put the cost per item. Maybe you're using Zendrop or AliExpress or any supplier. Then it's gonna show you the profit that you'll be making, and also it will show you the margins that you'll be making. And then that is how easy it is to add your own products on Shopify. As you can see that, leave everything as default. Do not change anything there. Then you can just click at the save button. It's gonna save your own product store on Shopify automatically. And then you can also go to collections. Under collections on Shopify, you can able to see how many collections that you have. You can also create collections there on Shopify. And then you can also go to customers. Under customers, you can help to see your customers' details here. You can help to check like if customers they are buying multiple products in a Shopify store. You can have all of those information there under customers. Then you can also go to analytics. Under analytics, you can help to track on how your store it is performing. You know, you can check the total sales that on a specific days, on a specific month, on a specific week, on a specific year. You can check them the total sales there. Then you can also go to online store sessions. Online store sessions is gonna show you how many visitors that are in your store right now. You can also check the online store conversion rate, how your store it is performing. You know, it's gonna check about the sessions converted. Then you can also check the top selling products. If you're selling multiple products, you can also check them here so that you can scale the right products that are getting more orders. You can also check the sales attributed to marketing. You can also check the returning customer rate. That's how easy it is, guys. You can also go to marketing. And the marketing, it allows you to create email follow-ups on customers who went through the checkout but they never purchased. You can send follow-ups emails on those customers so that you can get more orders via through emails. You can also offer some discounts in your Shopify store, guys. Okay, you can also offer some discounts so that you can get as many orders as you want, guys. Okay, especially on holidays. You can also go to online store sessions. Under themes, These are the done for you themes, done for you stores that you can use in your Shopify account, guys. Okay, if you are these niches, you can just import them here. You can add these stores, it's going to be added in your Shopify store. If you have any questions, guys, about Shopify, leave a comment down below in the comment section. But don't forget to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to use Shopify's 30 days free trial. Take care and may God bless you, shop.